Will more American Himars rockets be enough to detain Russia? Although the United States has supplied Ukraine with only 4 M142 high-mobility artillery rocket systems, Himars, a senior American official said they should be considered only the first of several stages of the system that Ukraine hopes to receive. A senior U.S. official explained that the United States would donate more long-range rocket artillery systems to defenders of embattled Ukraine. Although how many will be given and when they will arrive remains unclear. Speaking at the Center for a New American Security, Undersecretary of Defense for Policy Colin Kahl said that Ukraine will definitely get more Himars in the future. We will give Ukraine what they need to shoot targets inside Ukrainian territory, said Kahl. Since this is not a system that Ukraine has, historically, they had to be trained. So we are providing the early stages of the Himars system and Ukraine is finishing training as we speak. We expect the system to go to war soon, and we are committed to continuing that flow of ammunition, and I know other allies and partners as well. Using the urban terrain to their advantage and exploiting weaknesses in Russian supply logistics, the Ukrainian forces defeated the siege of Kiev, drove the Russians out of Odessa in the south, and suppressed their gains around Kharkiv in the northwest, pushing the Russians back across the border. Ukrainian troops have made good use of conventional Western artillery systems, as well as mechanized artillery systems, particularly those from France, Britain, and the United States. While the Western system has proven effective, Ukraine is begging for more weapons and is significantly outgunned by their Russian adversary in the east. However, the Ukrainian military has struggled to keep up with Russia, which enjoys shorter and better protected supply lines and can tap into deep manpower and ammunition reserves. Russia has made gains even though gains are actually on a given day measured in blocks, said Kahl. It was not a major breakthrough in the defense of Ukraine. Ukraine remains the strong defender. There were significant casualties, but it was true on both sides. So Ukraine is definitely taking its toll. The Russians also took heavy casualties, and the front line didn't move much. Although Ukrainian officials have been very tight-lipped about their own losses, senior officials recently admitted that Ukraine may lose up to 200 troops per day, with another 500 injured. Russian losses are estimated to be roughly equal, but there is no end in sight to the conflict. It is not clear whether the minimum requirements of either side match the maximum concessions of the other party, Kahl said. We will not tell Ukraine how to negotiate, what to negotiate, or when to negotiate. They will set those requirements for themselves, he said. Kahl stressed that our role is to help them ensure that they can defend themselves against the onslaught of Russia, and they have done an incredibly brave job in that regard.